Okay, can I start?
Go.
What's the weirdest thing you've done in public?
Oh.
Oh,
With myself or with someone else?
no, you.
Oh.
Just you. I'm only asking you.
You're first.
You gave me the part and you want me.
No. I mean, like reading wires. But we're gonna answer it together.
Okay.
Yeah.
The weirdest thing I've done in public is probably you first.
Vlogging, because I'm not comfortable with vlogging in public, so.
Oh. The probably weirdest thing. Probably this one time I was in the food court and I was like dead hungry. I was hangry actually. I didn't care about the people around me. I just wanted to munch my food and stuff it in my face. So you know how I fucking ate? And there's a lot of people around me and it wasn't so girly. Not very public behavior. Yeah. I felt like I was at home.
Next.
Yeah.
What's an embarrassing thing you've done and never told anyone about? Why is it so boring?
The embarrassing thing I did.
That I never told you.
Okay, this would sound like it's not really embarrassing, but I went to a fucking public washroom in a restaurant and there's freaking piss everywhere in the toilet. So you know what I did?
What?
I peed in the sink.
Did anyone say you?
Hmm?
Did anyone say you?
Did anyone saw me? I was in the washroom. You want me to
Yeah,
keep
but
the
you
door
said in
open?
the sink. You said in the sink. Or the sink.
The sink, the washing thing.
Oh.
It was a private washroom.
Okay.
Like right on the door.
Yeah. I think you know mine is. Do you remember the playground?
No.
Where I had to, like it was raining but I had to poop so bad.
Oh! You fucking used my friend's water to wash your ass. My friend Layla had no choice but to give the water so she could wash her ass. And 5 minutes later, Layla was having hiccups. And she couldn't drink any water because...
I got all the water to wash my ass.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay, next question. You do it. What's the most bizarre? Okay.
What's the most bizarre text you've ever received? What is bizarre?
Oh, crazy.
Crazy?
Like, extraordinary, I guess. Very odd. Did any guys send you a message like, "Ooh, send nudes"?
No. But somebody asked me if we could sex on chat. And I don't even know the guy. And I'm like, no, what the fuck?
Anyways, got that off. We don't think. Next question. Oh, what's the cringiest thing you've ever put up on social media? Craziest thing. Oh, back in 2019, I exposed my conversation to the guy that I used to like.
On social media.
Story. Ew, why did I do that though? That's so stupid.
What's the conversation like?
Oh, Oh, I love you. Oh, I love you too. Yeah. Yeah. I don't think people need to see that.
Yeah.
I don't know why I did that, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
For me, okay, because when I was like 11, I was like really into TikTok, and I would make this POV. You know that?
Yeah.
Like, I would make scenarios in my mind, and I would make transition like I'm talking to somebody else, but it's literally myself.
Mm.
I posted it. Nobody liked it. Yeah.
Because it's cringe or what?
Okay.
Oh. How much does your personality change when you are around different people? A lot.
It depends, right?
No, a lot for me.
Really?
Uh,
What do you mean?
because I'm comfortable. Like right now, like I'm comfortable with you. So I'm a more expressive person
Mm-hmm.
and talkative. But if I don't know you, I'm
Mm-hmm.
usually like an introvert, shy person. Like, oh, I'm so embarrassed. Oh, I'm so shy.
Yeah.
Yeah. But once you get to know me, like a year, it has to be a year for you to get to know me.
Yeah. A year.
A year. Uh, yeah.
Okay.
That's how different my personality is.
For me, I have two personality. Um, I'm basically a two-sided bitch. You know that? Have you heard of that?
Mm,
So, I I'm very nice
but I don't think
to
that's a good
people's.
thing.
I'm talking. I'm very nice to people's eyes, but once I get to people I'm really close with, like this girl right here, I talk shit about. But when I'm with people I'm not close with, I'm like, oh, you're so pretty. And I'm like, the fucking ugly. Yeah, I know. I'm like that.
Next question. What's the nicest thing someone has done for you? Oh. Oh.
You
For
can start.
I don't know.
Nobody's nice to you.
No, they're so nice to me. It's just that. Like, action wise or compliments?
Action wise.
Action wise? I don't know, because I'm usually the nicest person to act. It's true.
Okay. She said it's true.
Are you being nice to me?
I'm being nice to you.
Okay.
For me, because I was in junior high, I was in a juniors basketball team, right? And then I sprained my ankle really bad. And my friend Keisha, like, I sprained my ankle so bad I couldn't stand up. So my friend Keisha picked me up like this. I was so heavy, and we just finished the game. She was really tired. She picked me up all the way to the lockers, girl.
Aw.
Girls locker room. And I was so...
I'm surprised it's not voice locker.
You're so funny. You're really funny.
Okay, next. If someone wrote a book about you, what would it be called? But you don't read books.
Yeah, like, why would you ask that question?
Um, what do you think mine is?
I don't know.
I think mine would be
The title?
The title would be Beauty of Bond. Oh! No, Dear Bond is the title. But do you know why I said Dear Bond?
Someone's writing to you? Mine would be Nevertheless.
Hmm?
Nevertheless.
Okay, she said.
Because,
I'm more.
yeah, like...
Okay.
I was gonna say...
Go ahead.
This girly cut me off. Because, as I was saying, when people look at you, they don't expect much, right? Like, oh, she's just a person. But once they put you in your game's fashion, right?
I guess so.
And my game would be like modeling. So if you were in a crowded room, nobody gives a fuck about you.
Okay. That
But
really happened.
once they see your work, they're gonna be like, oh, he's something.
Oh, that never happened to me.
Next question.
Do you believe in having one best friend? Do I have a best? I feel like I have friends. Okay, yeah, sure. I guess. I feel fake.
Where was it? I don't believe in having one best friend.
Yeah, me too.
Like, you need more friends with different tastes so you can learn to grow, so you won't stuck in one thing.
Period. That's an advice for you guys, not for herself. Anyways, next question. How do you define beauty?
How do I define beauty? Beauty can only be the only definition of beauty is what's in the inside and the outside. Like, you're not pretty if your personality is ugly, right? But even if my personality is ugly, like,
I think I define beauty when someone waits for that person to be ready. Does that make sense?
No.
Hmm.
Beauty is like beautiful. That's beautiful.
Yeah, that's beautiful for me.
Okay.
Cause like every time I get up in a room, right, I'm not ready, and all of my friends are like fully ready. They got their stuff on, and they just left the room without them waiting for me. I'm like, shit. Might as well leave.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's
cause
so bad.
for me, I never did that. Like I always wait for my friend. I always go to the transit and wait for the bus for them, and that's like the bare minimum for best friends.
Yeah. Like, you don't go like, okay, bye. Like, you walk with them until they're gone.
Yeah. So that's my beauty. My definition.
That was too much.
Next, what do you think is the most annoying quality a person can have? Annoying?
What does that mean?
Oh, quality. Like, what do you find someone annoying towards, I guess, personality, I think, or action? I think for me is low self confidence. I found it very annoying.
Me, when they bring people down too.
Wait, why?
When they bring people down to look high.
Oh, yeah, that is annoying.
Yeah.
Low confidence, because when someone has low self-confidence,
They don't know their worth.
no, it's just that they will make you feel insecure. I've done, yeah.
People will make you feel insecure.
No, like, they're giving you that energy. And your mindset is gonna, like, shift in that kind of, you know? I'm so bad at explaining.
Me too, don't worry.
Who was your most unexpected crush? I don't have crush at the moment.
Before, in the past. Do you have an unexpected crush?
I don't have crush anymore.
Mine would be my bully.
Your bully.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Great.
Nathan.
Oh. In front. Oh, and wow.
But yeah, because he would bully me and I would hate him. Then suddenly, when he stops like pestering me, I missed it. I'm like, why you not in it?
What's your love language?
Before it would be physical touch, but now quality time. Right? What's your love language?
My love language is probably giving gift and physical touch and quality time.
One.
Hmm?
You said all the options. One.
Oh, one? Physical touch will always be my winner.
Why? You don't feel loved if you're not touched?
I feel love when... No, actually, emotionally intelligent. Is that love language?
No. No, what the fuck?
Emotional support. There we go.
That's not okay. This is a fucking love language, okay? Quality time, physical touch, giving gifts, words of affirmation.
Oh, words of affirmation.
She said emotional and touch. Where fuck in the options is that?
Words of affirmation. Yeah. I think I needed that.
Did you hear mine?
It's a love language. I mean... Physical touch. What?
If somebody asks you, what's your physical touch love language? What the fuck, bro?
No. Next question.
My love language is quality time. I told
Quality
you.
time. Okay, sorry.
She said.
What accomplishment are you most proud of? Do you have any accomplishment in your age? Oh, I know yours.
What?
Getting your license.
Of course.
Learners.
Yeah.
That license.
I've worked for it.
She said.
I
For me,
waited. Go.
-4 to getting diploma.
Period.
Okay. Where do you see yourself in a year? No. Yeah. It says in a year, but let's say 10 years from now.
Oh. I see myself in Paris doing runways. How about you?
I can see myself in Paris. Also, renting a house. No, renting an apartment. And dealing with designing and stuff like that. And opening my own boutique in Paris.
Oh my god. In 10 years, I'm going to see myself in Paris modeling your work.
Period. How about... Okay, yeah. Yeah. I'm awkward. Okay, but anyways.
I really hope that happens.
Me too. When was the last time you cried? Oh. Oh.
She said.
I think when yeah. When I miss the person real bad, but that's okay. People move
They
on.
mean like when? 2 days ago, 3 days ago, a
Months
week
ago.
Really?
Yeah.
That's mine.
That's yours. No, you did not cry months ago.
I said guess mine.
Oh.
Hold on, there's something in my birthday.
Week ago.
5 hours ago.
Why?
What do you mean why? Next question.
Okay. Okay. Would you like to get married?
Yes.
I guess so.
I want to have kids.
Me too.
What age do you see yourself getting married?
When I open a boutique.
What age? I said when I open a boutique. What time is it? It's daytime. You answer a question like that.
I don't know. There's no certain age. If you propose me, then sure. Did you grow up seeing healthy romantic relationship?
What?
Did you see yourself growing up seeing healthy relationship?
Yes. Repeat the question.
Did you see?
Did I see myself having a healthy
No.
relationship?
No. Did you grow up seeing healthy romantic relationship?
No.
I did.
Really?
I think I did.
To your parents?
Not my parents. Not my parents. No, it was a completely stranger. There's this two lovelies couple at the mall.
Yeah, but did you grow up seeing that?
Yeah, I think when I was elementary.
You saw them one time.
Huh?
You saw them one time a lot of times.
Alright, I didn't grow up with them.
Yeah. Seeing a relationship, a healthy relationship would be like your parents, your auntie, your sister.
Then my parents then.
Are they healthy, romantic relationship?
Close chapter. But they are happy though. Hopefully. Have you ever been in love? Duh.
Who didn't have fallen in love before?
What values do you think makes for a healthy relationship?
What values? What value what?
Makes a healthy relationship. I think constantly communicating each other and understanding.
Yeah.
Keep in touch.
It would be, for me, it would be like you both should be understanding toward each other.
Char.
Yeah. Because that's been a problem to all my relationships.
Oh yeah, what's our biggest problem when it comes to relationship? I'll start off with me first. Self-sabotage. Do you do that too?
Yeah.
Okay, I think that's normal,
Yeah.
but I think that's a bad mindset. Are you clingy?
Yes.
You're clingy? Am I clingy?
Yes.
Physically or mentally?
Physically.
physically. But how about chatting?
I wouldn't say so.
Yeah?
I wouldn't say so. You
Okay.
know yourself better than I do.
True that.
The most problem I've had in my past relationship is lack of communication,
Me
lack
too.
of understanding.
Me too. I always lie in relationship.
You always lie.
Yeah.
About
Not
what?
not about like a bad thing. It's like when I'm talking to my, like, let's say I'm talking to my friends or parents, I will say, "Oh, I'm just sewing. Oh, I'm just doing something." But I'm just talking to my parents about my personal problems.
Oh, that's not a
I
bad
never ever talk about my personal problems to my relationship.
thing. Yeah.
I think that's a bad thing.
That's a bad thing. But at the same time, if you're talking about yourself, for you, it's a good thing. Because you don't, do you want your partners knowing your problems and getting like into it?
Yeah.
You don't want to, or you want to?
I want to. I want him to be there for me. I guess. I guess. Yeah. Okay. When are we ending this? um. What was your first impression about me? Do you already know this?
Well, I never thought you were gay,
Yeah.
but personality wise, I thought you were very friendly.
Mhm.
Because that first day we met, we talked a lot,
You
right?
thought I was very friendly?
Yeah.
You thought I was, so I'm not friendly?
I thought, and you still are.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Because that first day we met, we talked a lot, right? In the park.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
How about me?
My first impression about you, I was like, wow, she's way too young.
Yeah.
She's way too young. She
We
was
have,
so
like-
playful.
We have 7 years gap of friendship, right?
7 years, yeah.
How old are you?
I'm 21. Turning 21.
Oh, 6 years.
6 years.
God dang!
Why?
I'm like your younger sister. Do you ever look at me like your younger sibling?
No, bitch.
Or just a friend?
Best, or like,
Friend, best friend?
family friend. Bitch, I basically raised you, bitch.
Yeah.
Like, I basically raised her, literally. Oh my gosh!
What?
I remember he said that to me.
Who?
Yeah. He was like, you basically raised me. Like, what? Anyway.
No.
Who's your celebrity crush?
Mine would be girl or boy.
Boy, I guess.
My boy celebrity crush will be Brad
Boy.
Pitt.
Huh?
Brad Pitt.
What's that?
Brad Pitt.
Okay. I'll search that later. Mine would be Fred.
Fred. He's not a celebrity.
Oh.
He would be an influencer.
Oh. Then, other than that, then I don't know. I don't find any celebrity hot or attractive. Who is attractive in celebrity?
I don't really find Brad Pitt. I find him hot when he was young and Leonardo DiCaprio, but my all-time celebrity crush would be Angelina Jolie. She's so pretty.
What's the best book that you've read? Mine would be Reflection of Men.
Mine would be Charlotte's Web. Which I read like 5 years ago.
What's something I do that annoys you? Oh, do you have something?
That annoys me?
Yeah. Calling you every day.
Well, not really. It's when I'm trying to say something, right? She's gonna be like, She goes like that. Whenever I'm trying to talk about my relationship partner, she goes like, like, I'm trying to speak.
I only do that because I found it very annoying when she doesn't listen to me. Because
It's not that easy.
it's not easy, but
But what?
I've been there.
Yeah.
Do you want to do our last question? Because this is like
Yeah.
40 minutes.
Last question, please. I've been waiting for the last question.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Do you miss your current love relationship?
Yes. Every day, I miss her.
Do you think I miss him?
Yes.
What do you say?
You do? I know you miss him, but what you've been doing lately is try not to think about him.
Why?
I feel like that's what you're trying to do. When you miss him, you try not to think about him. But I know, like, I'm not saying every night, but some nights he still shows up in your head, right? Not in your dreams, like before you sleep.
Oh gosh, that's like a completely nightmare for me.
Yeah. Do you know?
Do I miss him?
Mm-hmm. Oh, you're thinking about it really hard. You don't miss him or you do? It's a yes or no question. No? What does that mean? You don't know?
I actually don't know. I have no. It can't be. It can't be yes or it can't be no. I actually don't know.
Okay.
Like it stopped. It's
That's what
not
I
there
said.
anymore.
I know you miss him. You just don't think about him. You just don't want to think about him. Yeah.
Because I feel like I don't believe in like wrong, right person, wrong timing.
You don't?
I don't believe in those.
Okay.
I don't believe in
I
those.
do.
You do? Please don't tell me.
I do. Okay. What if, for example, you dated someone and then he did something wrong and end up in a jail, but you really love him, but it's hard to love him because you can't really do a lot. All you can do is visit him in the jail. But if he's not in the jail, you guys would be having fun, stuff like that. That's right person, wrong time.
Oh, that is.
Yeah. Oh my fucking god. So if he's in the jail, you would always visit. You're gonna get tired, right?
Yeah.
You're gonna break up. But if he's not in the jail, you're always gonna have time together. You're gonna be perfect. Stuff like that. That's. Oh. Thank you for watching our video.
This is Vaughn.
This is AYESSA.
And good
Night.
bye.
Bye bye.
End it.
Oh. Bye.